Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Python in your PC. Very simple. Just go to the browser and search for Python. Sorry, not PNG, it will be Python. And here you can see python.org. You can click here download, directly go to the download page, but let's just go with the direct link. And here you can see we have downloads option here, so we don't have to actually click here. We'll just hover it, and here you can see Python 3.14.5. so this is the latest version. Okay, so we're going to click here, and then here you can see Python download started. All right, here you can see we have downloaded this. Now we are going to go to the installation. Go for the installation. Here you can see we have Python .exe file. If you don't see the extension, what you have to say here, what you have to do, you have to actually click the file, okay, and then go for the view and then show, and then here you can see file name extension. You have to check it. Now double click on the file, and here you can see, so we are going to check it. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe, and then add the python.exe to the path. If you don't do this, you have to actually add it manually. You have to go to the Python installation drive where you have actually installed it, and then from here you have to actually copy the address bar, okay, from here, and then you have to go for the env environment variable. Here type env, okay, it is the system environment variable, and then you have to add the path. But if you check it here, you don't have to do anything here, okay. And then now we are going to click here and install now, and it will be installed, okay, in your PC. Here you can see installing. Here you can see setup successful. Now we can actually check that we have successfully installed it or not. We can go for the command prompt cmd, okay, and then here we will say python -- version, and here you can see Python 3.14.5, and we have actually downloaded this, right? Here you can see. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.